we will discuss today ay ang napakahalagang topic sa mathematics, yung operations of integers, pero di-discuss natin ngayon yung addition and subtraction. Let us start with addition of integers. Ito yung rules. Kapag like signs, you just simply add the numbers. Let's say positive plus positive or negative plus negative. You add the numbers. Kapag unlike signs, magkaiba ng sign, you simply subtract the numbers. Let's say positive plus negative or negative plus positive. Okay, now, let's have an example. Let's say negative 15 plus 5. Unlike signs or like signs, ang 15 ay negative, si 5 ay positive. Okay? So, unlike signs yan. Anong sabi dito sa rule natin? Subtract. So, what is 15 minus 5? That is 10. Now, napakahalaga na alam mo yung sign ng sagot mo. Okay? Let us discuss kung ano ibig sabihin ng absolute value. Let's say, for example, we have negative 5. Ang absolute value ng negative 5 ay 5. Okay? Then, the absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Okay, ano tong absolute value? Pag sinabing absolute value, iyan yung distance ng number na yon from 0. Okay? So if this is positive 5, ilan ang distance niyan mula sa 0? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya yung absolute value ng positive 5 ay 5. Let's have negative 5. Okay? Ito yung negative 5. Ilan yung distance niyan mula sa 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya nga, yung absolute value lagi ng number ay laging positive. Okay? Now, balik tayo dito sa ating example. Ano ang absolute value ng negative 15? That is positive 15. Ano ang absolute value ng 5? That is 5. Sino ngayon ang mas malaki sa kanilang dalawa? Of course, si 15. Now, ano ang sign ni 15 dito? That is negative. You copy the sign of the higher absolute value. Okay? So, laging tandaan, copy the sign of the higher absolute value. Bakit hindi na lang kung sino ang pinakamalaki dito kay negative 15 and 5? Kasi, yung mas malaki dito sa dalawa ay positive 5. Baka kopyahin mo, gawin mo tong positive. Kaya lagi, what is the sign of the higher absolute value? So, our answer is negative 10. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say 41 plus negative 42. Okay. Unlike signs or unlike signs. So, of course, unlike signs yan, magkaiba ng sign. Di ba? So, subtract the numbers. So, of course, pag nag-subtract tayo, unahin natin yung malaking number. 42 minus 41, that's 1. Sino ang may malaking absolute value? Si negative 42. Ano ang sign ni 42? That's negative. So, our answer is negative 1. Okay? Now, let's try this one. Negative 6 plus 4. Okay? Now, unlike signs or like signs? Of course, unlike signs. So, subtract the numbers. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Sino ang mas malaking absolute value? Of course, negative 6. Our answer is negative 2. Okay? Now, let's try another one. Let's say we have negative 8. This is number 4. Negative 8 plus negative 9. Okay? Unlike signs or like signs? Of course, like signs yan kasi parehas ng sign. So, anong gagawin? You add the numbers. What is 8 plus 9? that is 17. Sino ang may mas malaking absolute value sa kanilang dalawa? Si negative 9, kaya negative is our answer. Anyway, kapag parehas naman niya negative, so negative din yung sagot natin. But always remember, baka malito ka sa multiplication and division, always remember, copy the sign of the higher absolute value. Okay? Now, let's have another example. Let's say number 5. Let's say we have 9 plus negative 6. Unlike signs or like signs. Of course, unlike yan, magkaiba yan. So, subtract the numbers. 9 minus 6, that is 3. Sino ang mas malaking absolute value? Si 9 or si negative 6? Si 9. Anong sign ni 9? Positive. So, ilalagay ba natin yung symbol na plus? Hindi. Understood that it is positive. Pag walang sign, understood that it is positive. Okay? Now, let's try another one. Let's say 15 plus negative 11. So, alam natin it is unlike signs. Okay? Then, subtract the numbers. What is 15 minus 11? That's 4. Okay? Sino ang may mas malaking absolute value? Si 15. Ano ang sign ni 15? Positive. Kaya ang sagot natin ay positive 4. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say negative 18 plus positive 18. Unlike signs, so we subtract the numbers. 18 minus 18, 0. Okay. Ano ang sign ni 0? Wala. Kasi si 0 ay hindi positive, hindi rin siya negative. It is neutral number. So our answer is 0. Simply 0. Okay? Now let us proceed to subtraction of integers. Maraming estudyante dito ang nahihirapan sa subtraction of integers. Okay? So let's try this one. I'm sorry, this should be minus negative 4. Now, ito yung rules sa subtraction of integers. First thing to do, copy the first number. Wala kang babaguhin sa sign. That is positive, you copy positive. That is negative, you copy negative. And after that, itong minus na sign, na operation, gagawin nating plus. Change the operation. Then change the sign of the subtrahend. This is negative 4, magiging positive 4. Then, proceed to addition. Ano ang rule natin kanina sa addition? Same sign, add. So, our answer is 7. Mas malaki yung absolute value ni 4. Si 4 ay positive. Kaya, positive 7. Okay? Now, let's try another example. Let's say we have negative 9 minus 5. Okay? First step, you copy the sign, negative 9. Negative 9, copy the number. Wala kang babaguhin sa sign. Then after that, yung minus, gagawin nating plus. Then ang sign ni 5 ay hindi negative, kundi ang operation niya ay minus, pero yung sign niya ay positive, hindi yan negative. Gagawin natin ngayon yang negative 5. Okay? Now, back to the addition of integers. Same sign. So, we add the numbers. What is 9 plus 5? That's 14. Sino ang mas malaking absolute value? Si negative 9. So, our answer is negative 14. Okay? So, our answer is negative 14. Let's try this one. Let's say negative 15 minus negative 2. Okay, copy the first number. Wala kang babaguhin sa sign. Yung minus na operation, gagawin nating plus. Then change the sign of the subtrahend. That's negative 2, magiging positive 2. Then, add the integers. Ano ang rules sa addition of integers? Subtract kapag magkaiba ng sign. So, 15 minus 2, that is 13. Sino ang mas malaki ang absolute value? Of course, si negative 15. So, ang sagot ay negative 13. Now, let's try this one kasi kailangan dito is practice, no? Let's say negative 25 plus 50. Okay? Again, you copy the first number. Wala kang babaguhin sa sign. That's negative 25. I'm sorry. This is plus. It should be minus. Yan. Then, yung minus na operation, gagawin nating plus. Ano ang sign ni 50? Positive. Gagawin natin ngayon yung negative. Okay? So, addition of integers, kapag this is like signs, add the numbers. So, negative, negative. So, like signs. So, 25 plus 50, that is 75. Sino ang mas malaking absolute value? It's negative 50. So, our answer is negative. So, we have now negative 75.